In today's video, I will explain all the Base44 pricing plans in detail so that you can decide which plan is the best for your needs. At the end of this video, I will also tell you how you can save money on these plans, so make sure you watch till the very end. To get started, you can use the first link in the description to open Base44 and create your free account. This will give you 25 message credits and 100 integration credits completely for free so that you can start building apps immediately. Once you have signed in, click on Upgrade Plan in the bottom left corner and you will be taken to the pricing page. Over here, you can see that Base44 currently offers 5 different pricing plans: Free, Starter, Builder, Pro, and Elite. They also have enterprise solutions for larger organizations. We will go through each plan one by one and understand exactly what is included. Let's start with the free plan. As the name suggests, this plan is completely free and costs $0 per month. The first thing you get is 25 message credits every month. These message credits are used whenever you interact with the AI to build or modify your applications. You also receive 100 integration credits every month. Integration credits are used whenever your applications perform integration-related actions. The exact number of credits consumed depends on the type of action you perform and the AI model being used. Now let's look at the features included in the free plan. The first feature is Core Base44 Features. This gives you access to all of Base44's core functionality, so you can explore everything the platform has to offer. The next feature is support for up to 5 apps. This means you can build and manage a maximum of 5 applications on the free plan. You also get built-in authentication, allowing users to securely sign in to your applications. Along with that, Base44 provides database functionality, so you can store and manage your application's data without setting up your own database. Finally, the free plan also includes analytics, allowing you to monitor your application's usage and performance. Now let's move on to the Starter plan. The Starter plan is designed for users who are building their first applications, personal projects, or early-stage products. This plan costs $20 per month. With the Starter plan, you receive 100 message credits every month. You also get 2,000 integration credits every month, which is a significant increase over the free plan. Along with all the features included in the free plan, the Starter plan adds several new features. The first feature is unlimited number of apps. Unlike the free plan, you are no longer restricted to building only 5 applications. The second feature is in-app code edits. This allows you to directly edit your application's source code from within Base44, giving you greater flexibility while developing your projects. Now let's move on to the Builder plan. This is the most popular pricing plan offered by Base44. The Builder plan costs $50 per month. With this plan, you receive 250 message credits every month. You also get 10,000 integration credits every month, making it suitable for users building larger and more active applications. Along with every feature available in the Starter plan, you get several additional features. The first feature is back-end functions. This allows you to build server-side functionality directly inside your applications without relying on external services. The next feature is AI model selection. This allows you to choose between different AI models depending on your project's requirements. You also get the ability to connect a custom domain, allowing you to publish your applications using your own website address instead of a default Base44 domain. Finally, the Builder plan includes GitHub integration. This makes it much easier to synchronize your projects with GitHub for version control, backups, and local development. Now let's move on to the Pro plan. The Pro plan is designed for advanced developers and growing teams who want early access to new features along with higher monthly credit limits. This plan costs $100 per month. With the Pro plan, you receive 500 message credits every month. You also get 20,000 integration credits every month. Along with every feature included in the Builder plan, you receive one additional feature. That feature is early access to beta features, which means you can start using new Base44 features before they are released to everyone else, allowing you to experiment with the latest updates ahead of time. Now let's move on to the Elite plan. The Elite plan is designed for users who need the highest amount of credits along with premium support. This plan costs $200 per month. With the Elite plan, you receive 1,200 message credits every month. You also get 50,000 integration credits every month, making it the highest credit package currently available. Along with every feature included in the Pro plan, you receive premium support. This means your support requests receive higher priority and you get faster assistance whenever you need help with your projects.
Finally, Base44 also offers enterprise solutions for larger businesses and organizations. Instead of fixed pricing, enterprise plans are customized according to your organization's requirements. These plans offer custom credit allocations based on your usage requirements. You also get a dedicated solutions architect who helps your organization design and build applications more efficiently. Another important feature is single sign-on, also known as SSO, allowing employees to securely access Base44 using your organization's existing authentication system. Enterprise customers also receive advanced security controls, making the platform suitable for organizations with stricter security and compliance requirements. Finally, you get a dedicated account team that understands your technology stack and provides personalized support whenever required. Before we discuss how to save money, let's quickly summarize who each plan is best suited for. The free plan is best for beginners and anyone who wants to explore Base44 without spending any money. The starter plan is ideal for individuals building personal projects, MVPs, or early-stage applications that need more credits and unlimited apps. The builder plan is best for serious builders who need back-end functions, GitHub integration, custom domains, and greater flexibility while developing their applications. The Pro plan is meant for advanced developers and growing teams who want early access to new features along with higher monthly credit limits. The Elite plan is designed for professionals and businesses that require the highest credit limits and premium customer support. Finally, the Enterprise solution is best suited for large organizations that require custom credits, enterprise security, dedicated onboarding, and personalized account management. Now that we have discussed all the plans and their features, let's look at how you can save money. Instead of monthly billing, if you switch to annual billing, Base44 gives you a 20% discount on all of its paid plans, which can result in significant savings over the course of a year. And if you want to know all the methods to get free credits in Base44, then check out this video right here.